day, sir. I'm Arumiti Paktanak, a student nurse of Holy Trinity University. Now I'm going to performing hair care and combing. The definition of hair care is hair washing defines that is one of general care provided to a client who cannot clean the hair by himself, herself. Proper hair care and combing can help comfort the patient. The first purpose of hair care is to comfort of the patient, to remove tangles from the hair of the patient, to preserve or keep the hair in good condition during illness, then to observe the presence of lice without the patient being aware of it, then to prevent infection of the patient, to preparation for diagnosis procedures involving the head, and the first equipment is patient bath towel, hair comb or hairbrush, oil or Vaseline or shampoo or any shampoo na like ng inyong pasyente, then rubber bands or tape. The general consideration: never allow an ill patient to comb hair if the hair of is too tangled. Oil may be used to remove the tangle of the hair of the patient. The nurse should be never cut the patient's hair without the patient's permission. So the first suggested actions: move the patient's head near the edge of the bed, hair face turned away from you. Then to arrange the appropriate position with considering your body mechanics. Okay, ma'am, okay lang po ba na ayusin ko po ang inyong position? Then place towel under the head of the patient, extending down the chest and shoulder to prevent the clothes and the body from soiling. Going to use body towels of the patient. Okay. Then are you comfortable lang? Then loose the hair of the patient of the middle in the bed. Are you comfortable? For the fourth procedure of the hair care is washing. The patient need to brush the hair to remove dandruff. So and then brush the hair of the patient. Insert the cotton balls into the ears with hair with the warm water and apply and wash it thoroughly. And fallen hairs and make the hair easier washing. And I'm going to use towels for the eyes of the patient. And also cotton balls for the ears of the patient. Ma'am, are you comfortable? Are you okay? And apply soap or shampoo and massage the scalp with the while washing the hair using fingernails to prevent water from the entering into the ears. And also, if you then wash the hair and apply the shampoo, also rinse the hair and reapply the second washing. If indicate rinse the hair thoroughly, apply conditioner if requested, or if the scalp appears dry. If the conditioner, if the patient you use the conditioner, so I'm going to wet the hair of the patient. use Head and Shoulder, the shampoo of the patient. And I'm going to massage the scalp of the patient to remove dandruff. Are you okay, ma'am? So rinse the first shampoo. Now I'm going to reapply the second shampoo. I'm going to use cream salt. The cream salt is a request of the patient. Clean it. So now the hair of the patient is so clean. Wrapping the hair of the patient, remove the cotton balls from the ears into the paper bag with the towel from the client's neck. Wrap the hair in the big towel which are used to cover the client's neck part. So I'm going to remove the cotton balls of the neck of the ear of the patient, and I'm going to dry the hair of the patient with the face and neck if needed to prevent him or herself from becoming chilled, to increase circulation of the scalp and promote that sense of well-being. So, and dry the hair as quickly or as possible, and massage the scalp with oil or as required of the patient. Okay, ma'am? Are you okay? Padang na po ng head. I'm going to dry the hair of the patient. So if the hair of the patient dry, we need the brush again to comfort the hair of patient. In combing or brushing the hair of the patient, at the time, hold the strand and time wrapping around the forefinger. So comb the hair and arrange the hair according to the client's preference. So raise the self-esteem of the patient. Are you comfortable with your hair, ma'am? Then remove the face towel of the patient and gathered all equipment, articles clean in this disinfect, brush and comb and return them into their proper places. So to prepare the next procedure. Position the patient in according to the So now I'm done to hair care of the patient. So ma'am, thank you for your cooperation and God bless. So and thank you, sir. And I'm going to document the condition of the scalp, hair, and any abnormalities on the chart with your signature. So to provide the hair care giving signatures, maintain professional accountability.